Hello, Rufida Nambiru over here. Today is one of the best days of my life. I've just dropped my two children at school. Actually, the little one, my baby, has started school today. It has all been excitement. Everyone was looking forward to this day. Not only the children, but myself as well. What was happening previously is that I'd wake up early in the morning, prepare the older child for school, drop at school, then I would have to come back home, take care of the little one, and then midday I would have to go back to school, pick the older child, go back home. So you'd find that I don't really have a lot of time to concentrate on my business. But right now I'm so excited because I have to take both children to school. So the whole morning between when I drop them to when I go back to pick them, I have at least 4 hours to concentrate on my business. So that's part of the excitement. And the other thing is that the business that I'm doing, I do it at my own pace, at my own time, my own. I control what I do when I do it, and I love what I do. Even if I sleep at 3 a.m. in the morning, I'm not bothered because that's my business. Unlike when I was working, of course, yeah, you'd have a salary that gives you some security, which is actually not security, it's false security. But at the end of the day, you don't have free time to yourself, you don't control your time, and somebody else controls how much you can earn. They put a ceiling to how much you can earn. But what I'm doing right now, I determine how much I can earn, how much I can work. So if you want to know what I'm doing, what's getting me excited, why I'm so happy today, I've put a link below this video. Click onto that link, put in your name and email address. You're going to find a video that is going to explain to you how we do our business, how this business has changed many people's lives, not only financially, but also building your business online, completely online on autopilot. Because right now I'm here shooting this video, but who knows, commissions are dropping into my account. Click onto the video on the link below this video, and you will be directed to another video that you're going to watch that's going to give you the details on how to get started. I hope you like this video. This has been Rufida. Goodbye.